I decided just to start a new video for the next question so I can write it out on the board, and we'll do that for each of them. So this one in your book is question 6a. So again, we're going to look at what are the possibilities. So one, could it be a associator? Well, no, because it's not just two notes. And an appoggiatura, same sort of thing. It's not really two or three notes like leaning into each other. It's more, it goes da 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 da. So no. Is it a turn? Well, there's a very few notes doing twirly things, so it could be a turn. Is it an inverted turn? Well, it could be. There's some fancy things going on. Is it a mordant? No, it's not just a note and then a note above or below and then back to it. And so it's not an inverted mordant. And is it a trill? I don't think so. Because, say it was treble clef. We don't know which clef it's in, but say it was. We go F, G, F, which could be a trill. But then we go E, F, G as well. And that's not really what was happening with the trill. It was just alternate between two notes. So that makes me think it's either a turn or it's an inverted turn. Now, if it was just straightforward and we drew a turn on, like, say, an F, well, that would explain. It would have to be, actually, you couldn't do that. It would have to be like you could put a turn in G, because the turn's a note above, then the note, then the note below, then back to the note. So that could be a turn there, G, F, E, F. But we've also got this F and this G there, which is kind of confusing things. So if you look in your book at the table, I'm just going to turn to it just now to make sure I'm telling the truth. So this is topic 11, right? Here we go. If you look at the table about the turn, you will see that in the turn examples, it's all 4 notes. But if you look at the inverted turn, and they give an example of what happens when the turn is in between 2 notes. And you can see they have an E, a dotted crotchet E, and then the inverted turn sign, and then a D as a quaver. And they show something very, well, the exact same rhythm of this, right? They show a quaver and then 3 triplet semiquavers and 2 quavers. So what that's telling us is that a turn can actually come in between 2 notes if it's a dotted note. So what I'm going to do instead is put a dot after my F, because this is like a quaver plus a quaver. Write it out simpler. It's a quaver plus a quaver and then 2 quavers. So it's the same as the minimum total. Okay, so that's that. I've said that this is my ornament. So this is the main note. Then it goes to the note above, the main note, the note below, and then the note itself. So it's not an inverted turn, it's a turn. If it was an inverted turn, it would go down here, and then there, and then up, and then down. But because it's a turn, it doesn't. So I'm going to put in my G here, over there, and we can see that it adds up to the right length. Dotted crotchet quaver takes care of all the lengths. There's 1 quaver, 2 quavers, 3 quavers, 4 quavers. And then I'm going to put my turn in the middle. Okay? This is probably the hardest one that you'll be asked if it comes up. So basically, if it's 4 notes, it's just normal, and the turn and the inverted turn goes on the top. But if you have this situation where you basically have 6 notes and they're going around about, then that's going to be a turn in between a dotted crotchet and quaver. Hope that makes sense. Let me know if it does or doesn't, because I can try different ways of explaining it, remember. Okay, I'm going to stop this video and then I'll start with the next one.